Today we're talking the two best crypto stocks to buy right now. If you're a more conservative investor like me, then you may be skeptical about buying Bitcoin or any of the other popular cryptocurrencies right now. I mean, especially Bitcoin looks extremely pricey at the moment. But what if I told you that there are two companies that will benefit from the surge in importance of cryptocurrencies no matter which cryptocurrency comes out on top? Furthermore, these two companies have extremely robust business models all around, so even if crypto turned out to be a flop, these two companies would still constitute a very solid investment. Welcome to Good Stocks, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and let's get right into it. To mine bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, powerful computers are necessary. It turned out that graphics chips, or GPUs, are especially suitable for the complex calculation of cryptographic keys. During the big Bitcoin hype at the end of 2017, demand for GPUs was so high that some electronics chains allowed a maximum of 3 graphics cards per purchase, and even used GPUs achieved record prices. That is a thing of the past, but graphics card manufacturers such as Nvidia continue to supply Bitcoin miners with ever more powerful processors. The company can therefore be compared to a shovel seller during the Great Gold Rush. It is irrelevant which digital currency will be mined in the future. Nvidia recently underwent a significant price decline, so is now the best time to get a piece of the action? Well, stay tuned because in the following minutes, I'll go more into detail on why I believe that Nvidia is probably one of the hottest stocks to watch right now. The exciting thing about Nvidia is that the further price potential does not depend solely on the Bitcoin boom or the PC games market. The company is also playing a pioneering role in the field of artificial intelligence, because the high-performance chips from Nvidia are now used in numerous data centers that focus on machine learning. Several tech giants, including Facebook and IBM, have already installed Nvidia's GPUs on their learning data centers, and the DrivePX technology platform also relies on GPUs from Nvidia, helping automakers to develop autonomously controlled vehicles that recognize obstacles and react to them. Nvidia GPUs are also applied in medical technology, where they're utilized to compare large amounts of data in order, among other things, to differentiate cancer cells from healthy cells. So as you can see, Nvidia is an enabler of numerous technologies with a lot of potential for future growth. Over the past 3 years, Nvidia increased sales by an average of 11%, while profits increased by an average of 13%. This is a little less than in previous years because growth temporarily stalled from 2018 onwards. Now, however, the growth engine is running again and the company is benefiting from high demand for computer capacity. In the last 3 quarters, profits rose by an average of 67%. For the current financial year of 2021, earnings per share of $13.23 are expected to increase by 32% over the previous year, and almost $15 per share should be achieved next year. With a current PE ratio of 42, Nvidia is not exactly cheap. However, this is never the case with market-leading technology companies, as Google and Facebook prove. However, if you look 3 to 5 years into the future, it could be worth investing in this technology leader whose share is already among the top 10 for artificial intelligence. New technologies such as cryptocurrencies, other blockchain applications, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence will require ever higher computing capacities that Nvidia can provide. In conclusion, I believe that now is the best time to invest in Nvidia, but as always, you should opt for holding this company in your portfolio for at least 3 to 4 years. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that this is the right time to buy Nvidia. AMD was founded in 1969, making the company a real dinosaur in the IT industry. AMD had long been considered a company that simply was not able to turn a profit in the long term. In recent years, however, the company has shown its critics the finger by pulling off probably one of the biggest comebacks in recent history. While the share was worth less than $2 in early 2016, it now costs around $85. The processor manufacturer has been in constant competition with rival and market leader Intel since it was founded, but it was always a step ahead. With the takeover of graphics card manufacturer ATI, AMD has also been Nvidia's most important competitor since 2006. Unfortunately, AMD did not enjoy great success for a long time, so that the company slipped into the red for years. Some restructuring was necessary to get back on the road to success. A breakthrough came about 5 years ago when companies like Alibaba and Alphabet decided to use AMD chips to control cloud applications. Microsoft has also been one as a loyal customer since then. In addition to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency Ethereum can be mined with AMD chips, and the company benefits from crypto mining even more than Nvidia. The biggest difference between AMD and Nvidia is that graphics card sales for blockchain applications account for a higher share of AMD's overall business. In times when cryptocurrencies are in great demand, this is a clear advantage. But if the market for digital currencies faltered, the high level of dependency could turn into a pitfall. AMD's business has been very impressive over the past 3 years. With an average revenue growth of 17%, AMD delivered far more than analysts ever expected. The fact that profits rose by an impressive 94% per annum in the same period shows that AMD operates in a high-margin business. In the current financial year, earnings per share are expected to increase from $1.29 in the previous year to $1.97, an increase of 53%. In the coming year, analysts are already expecting earnings of $2.53 per share, which would constitute another strong increase of 28%. Just like Nvidia, AMD is also anything but cheap after last year's surge in price. Nevertheless, the turnaround seems to have succeeded in the long term, and the capital base is now significantly stronger than it was a few years ago. That is why the stock is definitely one to watch out for. However, at the current price level of around $80, a little below the all-time high of $99, I believe that the stock is more suitable for speculative investors. And now it's up to you guys. Let me know in the comments whether you prefer Nvidia or AMD and which one you'll be adding to your portfolios. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.